Welcome to the new Salto podcast, where we explore trending topics in smart living, innovative access control, and smart building solutions. In this episode, we're talking about something you probably don't think about often: guest key cards. They're handed out millions of times a day across hotels, co-living spaces, and offices around the world. But what if something so small could be reimagined for a bigger environmental impact? We'll explore Salto's eco-guest key cards and how they're helping the hospitality sector reduce plastic waste and embrace more sustainable practices. Let's dive in.
Unlocking Talks, a podcast by Salto.
In today's episode, we discuss an incredibly important topic: how to develop effective school. Hi, Alex. Great to have you back.
So happy to be back. Today, I'm bringing a different topic to the table. I think people are going to love it.
Knowing you, I have no doubt about it. If I'm not mistaken, today we're taking a fresh look at the key card. Is that right?
I love how you phrased that, and yes, we're rethinking the key card in a way that's more respectful. At Salto, we're always looking for ways to build smarter and greener. That's why we've introduced our new eco-guest key cards.
Now you've got me curious. Tell me more about it. What was the starting point for giving this product a shift?
Well, guest key cards are small, but with thousands used every day across properties worldwide, the scale of their impact adds up fast. We often hide behind the idea that small actions won't change anything, but the proof is right in front of us. Take this small product, for example. Would you think it has a big impact worldwide?
I think a small key card might seem harmless at first glance. But tell us the truth, please.
Okay, so actually, most modern key cards are made from single-use plastic, which ends up in landfills or oceans. This makes them one of the biggest contributors to pollution worldwide.
Oh, wow. That's impressive. I can't even imagine the impact of larger products.
Good point, but let's concentrate on the positive. To help change that, Salto has launched a new line of eco-guest key cards. These sustainable cards are made from FSC-certified wood, bamboo, and recycled paper. They offer the same level of performance as traditional plastic cards, but without the environmental footprint.
That's great. So they work the same way as the plastic ones, right?
Exactly the same. These eco-friendly cards still use the same contactless RFID technology, so they're fully compatible with all Salto smart locks. From a user experience point of view, nothing changes.
I guess the difference is in the materials, right, Alex?
Exactly. Instead of plastic, our eco-guest key cards are made from renewable, biodegradable resources that are responsibly sourced. Best of all, they are designed to break down naturally, not stick around in our air, soil, or waterways for hundreds of years.
And they're just as tough as plastic cards?
Absolutely. After testing these cards for durability and performance, we found that they match their plastic counterparts in strength, just without the environmental cost. There's also a range of finishes to choose from, including bamboo, cherry, and black walnut. Users can enjoy a premium, high-quality feel while showing a visible commitment to the environment.
I think this is a great point of view, Alex.
I agree, but let me tell you more. Our sustainably sourced paper-based card can be fully customized with logos and branding. This means properties don't have to sacrifice aesthetics or brand identity to make a sustainable choice.
Fantastic. You truly thought about every detail, didn't you?
Yeah, that's our job. All things considered, these cards are a smart, stylish, and durable option for any hospitality property that wants to align with today's eco-conscious guests.
These cards sound like an easy way for hospitality businesses to step up their sustainability efforts. I imagine that's their purpose: to amplify their impact.
That's the idea. Plastic pollution is a serious issue, and Salto's eco-guest key cards offer a practical way to cut down on waste, one check-in at a time. In the hospitality industry, small changes can lead to significant environmental impacts.
I'm sure, Alex. Tell us more about this.
So, one such change that hotels and resorts are increasingly adopting is the switch from plastic to wood key cards. This simple transition is proving to be a game changer in reducing plastic waste and enhancing the guest experience.
I really think this mindset could shift the planet. If only every company could make these little changes.
I think we, as customers, need to encourage enterprises to move forward in the right direction. These key cards are just a small part of our broader sustainability strategy. Salto is committed to reducing the environmental impact of every product, not just the high-tech components, but also our everyday operations and production processes.
I imagine that aligning the message with real documented actions is key to this strategy. Do you use any tracking methods or companies to set these metrics?
We've aligned with the International Sustainable Development Goals and are actively working toward carbon neutrality. That includes shifting toward renewable materials, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, and designing products that support a circular economy. And as the hospitality industry continues to prioritize sustainability, wood key cards offer a simple yet effective way to contribute to environmental conservation.
Approximately 26 billion plastic cards are in circulation today, and most are made from PVC. This material resists decomposition and is significantly challenging to recycle because of its embedded metals and other components. So, are Salto's innovative key cards just one step in a much bigger transformation?
Exactly. Global initiatives like the United Nations Environment Program, UNEP, echo the urgent need for businesses to prioritize environmental action. Their research calls for a drastic 80% cutback in plastic waste by 2040. But this is only achievable through inventive solutions and impactful policy changes.
I hope these policies spread globally to promote a more responsible economy and society.
The EcoGuest key card is a simple switch that helps our clients and partners take action on sustainability right now, while also contributing to a smarter, more responsible future for access control.
I believe creativity could be a great partner on this journey, together with humanity. Sometimes it is about returning to the origin.
I could not have said it better. It's proof that innovation doesn't always need to be high-tech. Sometimes it's about rethinking the basics and taking small, everyday actions that add up to a bigger picture.
Thanks, Alex. This has been by far my favorite episode. It's amazing how even the smallest touch point, like a key card, can be a chance to do better for the planet.
Thanks a lot for giving me the space to talk about making conscious choices, one guest at a time.
And for you all, thanks for being with us. Keep moving, keep learning, little tech lover.
Unlocking Thoughts, a podcast by Salto.
Thank you for joining us for another episode of the Salto podcast. We hope you found this breakdown informative and insightful. Make sure to check our blog, where you can read our full analysis on this topic. For more episodes like this, check us out on Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. Don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. Ready to go keyless? Join us again soon for our next episode. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.